In this video, I'll show you how to create location map in ArcGIS. First of all, open ArcMap and then a blank map and click on OK. Before we start with our location map, I'll just show you how you can download the free shapefile. Go to your browser and search for DivaGIS. Then click on this first link, divagis.org. Then go to free spatial data. Here, click on download country level data. Then just search for your country. So here I am selecting India, and there are various subjects. From this we will select administrative areas and then just click on OK. A zip folder will be downloaded. Then go to view, layout view. Then we'll change this. So go to file, page and print setup, and we are changing from portrait to landscape. Then just stick the scale map elements and click on OK. Then click this layers. So you'll get it like that, new data frame. And then just adjust the data frame. Then again go to insert and data frame. Here I'm creating 4 data frames. You can also do it like this. Just click on one of the data frame, press Ctrl C and then Ctrl V and drag it to the position where you require it. As I want to show the state as well as the district in my location map, so that's why I'm creating 4 data frames. If you just want to show the state, then you can keep it up to 3 data frames. And adjust the data frames in a way that at the top you can even add the title. And for each data frame, you can show the coordinates in a proper way. For adding data, you will require the shapefile of your country that you can download from DivaGIS website. I'll also provide the link in description. Now click on new data frame and add data. Then after here, if you have downloaded your shapefile, then you will get a zip folder. Firstly, just unzip that and you can extract it either to your desktop or any other folder. And then from it, you will need to select ind_adm and then click on OK. Then after, as you can see this, I'll just select ind_adm1.shp. Then again, in the next data frame, I'll select ind_adm2.shp and then add. Then in the next data frame, again add data, which will be ind_adm3.shp and then click on add. And in the last data frame, we'll add data, same ind_adm3.shp and then click on add. Now we'll work on the first data frame. So just right click and go to properties and give the layer name as India. Then in symbology, I'll just change the color. You can keep the color of your choice. And I'll also keep the outline color as black. Then click on OK and apply and then OK. Then again I'll right click on India, open attribute table. Here I'll select the state, which is I want to select Gujarat. So just click on that and then just close this. Then again right click on India, data, export data. Keep it as selected features and then click on OK and yes. Then this is the export output. Just right click on that, go to properties. If you wish, then you can change the color and just change the layer name as Gujarat. Apply and OK. Then right click on India, open attribute table, and then on top you will be able to see clear selection. Just click on that and then close the attribute table. So this is done. Now I'll just change the color as it is too bright. So again I'll go to properties, symbology, OK, apply and OK. Then our next step will be to go to insert, title, write India and OK. Then just drag it. Just click on that once so that the properties will open. Here go to change symbol. Here you will be able to change the font type, color and the font size. And then click on OK, apply and OK. As you can see, this is not clearly visible. So again you can click on that and change symbol. And then change the color. And also I'll increase the font size and keep it bold. Then click on OK, apply and OK. Then again go to insert, north arrow. I'll select this arrow and click on OK. From here you can drag it. I just clicked on it and I have pressed Ctrl C and then Ctrl V so that I can add it in all my data frames. Then go to insert and scale bar. Here I'll be selecting the scale bar showing kilometer. You can select any of the scale bars as per your choice. So I'll just select this alternating scale bar 1 metric. Keep the number of divisions as 2 and number of subdivisions also 2 and gap as 2 point. Then apply and OK. And then again click on OK. So we have got this. Then again go to insert and legend. Here just click on India, then next. Then you can change the size. I'm keeping it as 12 and the font as Times New Roman and bold. And I'll just keep it as justify. Then next, again next, and then finish. Now we will add the coordinates. For that, select the data frame and then right click and go to properties. Then in that go to grids and click on new grid. Keep this as gratitude divides, don't change that. Then click on next. Then keep it as labels only. Then next. Then untick this minor division text and click on that line style and just keep the width as 0. Then OK. Then again next. And again select this and keep the width as 0. Then finish. Then go to properties and labels. And then in that we'll change the font size and the font type. I'm keeping it as Times New Roman. Then in label orientation, tick this right. Then apply and OK. Again apply and OK. Now just select everything by pressing Ctrl key and then right click and click on group. Then we'll work on our next data frame. Here again just click on this IND AMD ADM2, right click and open attribute table, and then in name 1 we'll just search the state which is here. I'll search for Gujarat. I'll select all the rows having name 1 as Gujarat. You can press Shift plus Control to select. Then right click and data, export data. This will be selected features. And then press OK. And yes. Then just right click on this export output. You can give the color of your choice and outline color. Then press OK. Then go to General and change the layer name to Gujarat. Then apply and OK. Then just untick this checkbox of IND_ADM2. And you can, on the top in the toolbar, you can use this zoom in and zoom out. Then you can use the span to drag. I'll just again zoom in. Then I'll go to Insert, Text. Then right here, Gujarat. Then after, just click on it. Again go to Change Symbol. Keeping the font color is same that I had kept for India. And also the font size and font type. Then OK. Then apply and OK. Here I'll just keep the style as bold. So this is done. Then go to Insert and Scale Bar. And then press OK. Firstly go to Properties. As I need the number of divisions and number of subdivisions as 2, so I'll change that, and gap as 2 point. Then apply and OK. Then next we'll add the legend. For that go to Insert and Legend. Then here next. I'm changing the font size and font type and justify. Then next, again next, and then finish. Then select the data frame, right click, go to Properties, Grid, New Grid, and follow the same steps as we had done for India. Then finish and again go to Properties, change the font type and font size, and in Label Orientation tick that checkbox of left and right. Then apply and OK. Again apply and OK. Firstly adjust everything. Then after select all the things by pressing Ctrl key. Then right click and group. Now we'll work on the third data frame. Again right click. Now in name 2, I'll search for Surat. And then I'll select all the rows having name 2 as Surat. Select one row, then you can press Ctrl key. And if all the rows are together, then you can press Shift plus Control and select the last row with name 2 as Surat. Then just close this. Right click, Data, Export Data, click on OK and yes. Now again left click on this export output. The steps are same as we have done for India and Gujarat. I'll just untick this IND_ADM3. Then either you can right click on Surat and zoom to layer, or you can use this zoom in zoom out icons and pan icon. Then go to insert and text. Here the name is Surat and the steps are same. You will need to go to change symbol to change your font color, font size and font type. Then go to insert, scale bar. Again in properties, number of divisions and subdivisions as 2, gap as 2 point, and then OK. Then go to insert and legend. Next, select the font size and font type, justify, bold, and then next, again next, and then finish. Then here we'll click on this, right click, properties, go to grids, new grid. Then follow the same steps as we have done previously. And then finish. Then go to properties and tick this in label orientation, left and right. Every time in label orientation you will have to tick this left and right. Again we'll select all this by pressing Ctrl key, right click and group. Then I'll work on my last data frame. So I'll right click and open the attribute table. Now here in name 3, I'll search for Olpad. And then I'll just select this. Again right click, go to data and export data. Click on OK and yes. Then I'll just click on this export output and change the color. Then in general, we'll change the name and give it as Olpad. Apply and OK. Then I'll just right click and zoom to layer. Then go to insert and title. We'll need to go to insert and text. So I'll give the name as Olpad and again go to change symbol, then apply and OK. I'll just zoom out a bit. Then go to insert and legend. The steps are same. And finally we'll add the scale bar. For that go to insert and scale bar. And in properties make the changes. Then click on OK. Once this is done, right click, properties, grids, in that new grid. Again follow the same steps as we have done previously. So the coordinates have been added. Then I'll just go to frame. I'll just show you once. You can also add a frame like this by going to frame, and I'll just right click and go to properties. Because I had not set the label orientation and I did not tick this left and right, so we got it like that. But each and every time you need to select this checkbox of left and right in the label orientation. So all the 4 data frames are ready. Now on the top, I'll just add the title. For that, go to insert and text. And I'm giving the title as location map. Then just click on that, change symbol. I'm keeping the font size as 24 and the font type as Times New Roman and style as bold. Then click on OK, apply and OK. So as you can see, we have created a location map in ArcMap. Now we'll see how to export this. For that, go to File, Export Map. Then here, wherever you want to save it. So I'll just save it on my desktop. I have already created a folder named Study Area. And I'm giving the file name as LM. You can even save it as PDF or JPEG. And there are various other formats. So I'm saving it as JPEG. Then just click on Save. I'll just show you the image once. So this is the image of our location map. This is how you can create the location map using ArcGIS. Thank you.